bit of crazing. Wheels are clean. It's nice. Bit of scuffing on the glass. Rear wheels are nice. It's tidy around the left quarter, around the right quarter. Wheels are fine. Tyres good. Clean down inside. We've got a mark here. Yeah, like a little scratch and a little stuff down there. Front tyres are good as well. It's nice and clean across the front. Getting a little bit of scuffing on the screen. Chip here from the roof. Clean across the engine bit. Let's have a look inside. $43,000 miles. Alcantara on the dash top. It's got a stereo in it. There's not much in these cars. Seats look in decent condition. Even the driver's seat. Driver's door card. This panel has got some scuffs on it, and you might criticise it or replace it or leave it. Well, there we are. All in all, tidy looking example, and with a decent history.